All right, well, we have breaking news this morning. Uber and Lyft are heading to trial to potentially be found guilty of owing Uber and Lyft drivers tons of money over misclassifying them as contract workers instead of employees, which would mean potentially Uber and Lyft would owe drivers tons of money for any time a driver worked over 40 hours a week. Anytime drivers didn't get a vacation in a year, they didn't get any paid time off, because Uber and Lyft, a lot of Uber and Lyft drivers depend on Uber and Lyft for their income. But not only that, Uber drivers and Lyft drivers perform, this is the important part, an essential part of the app, right? Without the drivers, the app don't work. So we're gonna get into the updates and how you could potentially make more money, which, by the way, comment below if you've ever worked over 40 hours a week or you went a whole year without getting a vacation, a paid time off from Uber or Lyft. Before I do, I wanted to tell you guys about an incredible opportunity to start making money if you're looking for an extra side hustle. I know I am always looking for an extra side hustle. I have a link below to a way you can start earning right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing personally for about 4 to 5 years now. And so I created a tutorial on how to make money by creating a faceless YouTube channel, meaning you don't need to show your face, you don't need experience, you don't need a following at all, you don't need any, you don't need any experience doing this, and anybody can get started. And so again, click the link below. There's a 30-day free trial right now, which I will show you exactly how to set it all up and start making money. And it's just changed my life. It's been an incredible earning opportunity, and it's basically setting up a channel and getting views like you're watching this video on YouTube, and Google paying you for it. And once you sign up, there's a 30-day free trial and you'll get access to the group chat. So listen to this. Uber and Lyft are now heading to trial over the status of gig workers in Massachusetts. Uber and Lyft are set to face trial today in a lawsuit by Massachusetts Attorney General alleging the rideshare companies misclassified their drivers as independent contractors rather than costly employees. The non-jury trial in Boston comes amid broader legal and political battles in the Democratic-led state and elsewhere nationally over the status of drivers for app-based companies whose rise has fueled the U.S. gig worker economy. Massachusetts Attorney General Andrea Joy Campbell is asking a judge to conclude that drivers for Uber and Lyft are employees under state law and therefore entitled to benefits such as minimum wage, overtime, and earned sick time. Her office claims the companies for years misclassified thousands of drivers and cannot meet a 3-part test under the state's worker-friendly laws that would allow them to be deemed independent contractors. Studies have shown that using contractors can cost companies as much as 30% less than using employees. So Uber and Lyft, they've been basically cheating drivers by not paying them what they deserve. So I would be so interested if they actually win this attorney, because if Uber and Lyft have to, reclassify their drivers as employees, I mean, what's gonna happen in other states? Is Uber and Lyft just gonna start owing, hundreds of millions of dollars to all these drivers? Imagine you're an Uber driver, or you drove back in 2016, 2018, 2021, whatever, and you drove for 6 months, let's say, and this lawsuit says that, oh, you should have been getting paid overtime, and they found you worked over 40 hours a week. You could potentially get a massive payout from Uber and Lyft. I mean, these are multi-billion-dollar publicly traded companies. And so just keep an eye out for that if they do end up winning, because again, you could be getting a good chunk of change. So again, please check out my link below to the YouTube Faceless channel course if you want to start making money right now. This is just one of my YouTube channels from this year so far. It's brought in over $57,000, over 10,000 bucks a month, as it's only May right now. And then this is last year, 2023. You could see my channel brought in over 130 grand. That's over 10K a month average for the past, 16, 15 months, 18 months. So check out the link below. I'll show you how to do it. and take advantage of that 30-day free trial because it will be ending soon. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk soon. Bye now.